Hello everyone, today is 25th of August and we are going to discuss some of the important current affairs MCQs for your test, IFT and XLRI or XAT examination. For those of you who are interested in our GK course can apply to it by texting me at 7764869624. You can WhatsApp me. The course fee is 2000 in that. The GK of Test Mumbai, IFT and XAT will be covered, and there we will cover the static GK as well as current affairs, and the video you are watching is also a part of that particular series. It will continue as public video for some time and then it will become private video. Now coming to the first question of today, it is quite important from the point of view of test. It says understanding caste from Buddha to Ambedkar and beyond is a book written by A says Gal Umvik, B says Sujata Gidla, C says Suraj Yengre, and D says Anand Tel Tumde. So all of these are Dalit scholars, and one of the scholars has written this book, Understanding Caste from Buddha to Ambedkar and Beyond. So today only Gail Ombed, she has died, and she was a Dalit scholar, although she was born in the US. But she migrated to India and settled in India. She started living here and she devoted her life to understand the Dalit issues and has written extensively on that. So it is a very important question which can come in case either it can come about this particular book. There are several books written by her, so any of that can come, or she was associated with some organization that can come, or direct question on her also can come. So she is very important this year. Now come to second question. It says which of the following judgment of Supreme Court is related to the exclusion of creamy layer from the benefits of reservation. So A says Keswanand Bharti judgment, B says Indira Swami judgment, C says Puttaswamy judgment, and D says Raj Narayan judgment. All these judgments are important. Keshwanand Bharti judgment is important because of basic structure and preamble as a part of constitution. So it gave the doctrine of basic structure. Also it said that preamble is an integral part of the constitution and it can be amended. And the judgment came during 1972, to be exact 24th of April 1972. Then the second judgment is also important. It is the judgment which is related to exclusion of creamy layer from the benefit of reservation, from benefits of OBC reservation to be precise. So this judgment came after Mandal Commission approval which happened in our country during early 90s. And then we have C, Puttaswamy judgment. This judgment is also very important. This particular judgment is also called privacy judgment, which came a few years ago, where the Supreme Court held that right to privacy is a fundamental right. And Raj Narayan judgment is related to emergency and Indira Gandhi. So the answer for this will be Indira Swami judgment. Now come to the next question. It says which of the following body is going to come up with national automated facial recognition system for criminals in India? So there is going to be a system for facial recognition for criminals, but there is a doubt that there is an issue. The system is only 70% accurate, and that is why this article was written. So our question is, this automated facial recognition system for criminals is brought by which of the following? A says NCRB, that is National Crime Report Bureau, B says CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation, NIA, National Investigation Authority, or CID, that is Criminal Investigation Department. So this particular AFRS has been brought by NCRB, which comes under Ministry of Home Affairs. So this is quite important. Now come to question number 4. It says social activist Apar Gupta is related to which of the following causes? So option A says LGBTQ rights, B says internet freedom, C says manual scavenging, D says acid attacks. So he is Apar Gupta and the question is, he is related to which of the following cause? The answer to this will be internet freedom. So he is related to Internet Freedom Foundation, which has raised its voice against many things like net neutrality and right to privacy, etc. And here also, so they are raising their voice against the facial recognition technique also. Now come to this. This type of questions will come in IIFT. They generally ask this type of question as the following. So in case you will have one or two of the following, but in IIFT you will have four of the, and you will have to match. Which of the following are correctly matched? This is the question. You have head of WTO, IMF, World Bank and UNO, and here the options are Kristalina Georgieva, then Okonjo Iweala, Antonio Guterres and David Malpass. So the correct answer, what will be the correct answer for this? So C will be the correct answer. For one, that is WTO, the Director General is Okonjo Iweala. Then IMF, you have Kristalina Georgieva, and then World Bank, you have David Malpass, and the Secretary General of UNO is Antonio Guterres. And this particular question was there in TestNet last year, and there were questions from this also in IIFT. This particular slide here, you can see all of them. Okonjo Iweala. So Okonjo Iweala is from Nigeria, and she's the first African lady to become the Director General of WTO. And this particular thing, from which country she belongs to, this particular question came into RBI Grade B examination, which is very reputed examination. Kristalina Georgieva, so she is the MD of IMF, and then you have David Malpass of World Bank and Antonio Guterres of UNO. So this is quite important from the point of view of test exam. Which of the following document is necessary for a beneficiary of MG Narega scheme? A says Aadhaar card, B says ration card, D says voter ID, and C says voter ID, and D says job card. So the answer for this will be job card. As you can see, it is given to single person of a family. So beneficiary is decided on family basis, not individual basis. This is also important. Now come to question number 7. India has signed S-400 air defense deal with which country? Israel, USA, Russia, France. So the answer for this will be Russia. S-400 is an air defense system. So actually America is talking about CAATSA Act. What is CAATSA? Countering America's Adversary Through Sanction Act. So we are going to study about that also later. So through CAATSA Act, they have this provision that you cannot import something from America's adversary. Okay, there is a sanction, and that is why India had to mend her relations with Iran, and now they are also doing that with Russia. So this is the clause. So actually India is looking for some way out so that India can take this air defense system from Russia. And the last question for today, that is the 8th question, is who is the author of the book How the Earth Got Its Beauty? So basically this is a book for children. A says Ruskin Bond, B says Sudha Murthy, C says Vandana Shiva, and D says Kiran Desai. So you might not be knowing all these people, but as we will proceed in the GK course, you will get to know all of these people, who they are. Ruskin Bond, an author of children book. Okay, Sudha Murthy will be the answer for this, and Vandana Shiva is environmental activist, and Kiran Desai is a Booker Prize winner author. So this is all for today. So if you want to enroll to the GK course, then you can contact me at 7760869624 at WhatsApp. So thank you. Thanks for watching.